Shopping for a gaming keyboard doesn't have to be a stressful task, even though there are tons of options to choose from. There are a few important factors to consider when purchasing a keyboard specifically for gaming use, like the latency, how responsive a keyboard is, switch types, the feeling of the key press, and the noise it makes, and overall comfort and feel. In this video, we are going to see 5 best mechanical gaming keyboards. Stay until the end to see them all, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and for products details check the links in the description. Let's go. Number 5 in our list is Redragon K552 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Tenkeyless Compact Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Redragon K552 TKL. Small, compact with dust-proof mechanical red switches, linear switches, quiet click sound, fast action with minimal resistance without a tactile bump, feel rainbow LED RGB backlit mechanical USB gaming keyboard, 19 different lighting effects and game modes, 2 user-defined modes, 6 colors, multiple brightness level, breathing speed, precision engineered keycaps, offering crystal clear uniform backlighting, ergonomic designed SteelSeries mechanical game keyboards, high-quality durable metal abs construction, with plate-mounted mechanical keys and switches that stand up even during the most testing marathon gaming sessions, compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP. Limited Mac OS keyboard support, works well with all major computers brands and gaming PCs. Number 4 in our list is Rockcat Vulcan 121 Mechanical PC Tactile Gaming Keyboard. The Rockcat Vulcan 121 IMO is a full-size series variant that features the tactile Titan Switch Mechanical, a marvel of German engineering that delivers the industry's best in speed and responsiveness. The Switch adds to a comprehensive feature set that gamers know and love. The low-profile design is engineered for comfort and to reduce fatigue. Impressive durability and build quality thanks to its black reinforcing anodized aluminum top plate and switch housings designed to resist dust and dirt buildup. Dedicated mixer-style audio controls, a detachable palm rest and per-key IMO RGB lighting round out a gaming powerhouse. We're confident in the quality and longevity of our products. To ensure additional peace of mind, we provide a 2-year limited manufacturer warranty. Detachable palm rest attaching with a premium magnetic solution. The included palm rest lets you adjust your setup to whatever's comfortable for you, whether it's a relaxed typing or aggressive gaming style. Long-lasting durability. The keyboard is reinforced by an aircraft-grade aluminum layer to make it extra strong and durable. Titan switches are designed to keep dust and dirt out, helping to keep it in top condition. Number 3 in our list is Corsair K100 RGB Optical-Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The incomparable Corsair K100 RGB Optical-Mechanical Gaming Keyboard combines stunning aluminum design with per-key RGB lighting and a 44-zone LightEdge. Powerful Corsair AXON hyper-processing technology enables unparalleled capabilities such as 4000 Hz polling. Corsair OPX RGB optical mechanical key switches offer hyper-fast 1.0mm actuation while registering key presses up to 4x faster than standard mechanical gaming keyboards thanks to AXON, housed in durable double-shot PBT keycaps. The Corsair K100 RGB is the pinnacle of Corsair keyboards, offering the cutting-edge performance, style, durability, and customization that gamers need to stand above the rest. The centerpiece of your gaming setup, the Corsair K100 RGB, boasts a refined design bolstered by a durable aluminum frame, dynamic per-key RGB backlighting, and a 44-zone 3-sided LightEdge. Powered by Corsair AXON hyper-processing technology, enabling Corsair's most advanced gaming keyboard experience by delivering up to 4x faster throughput with native 4000 Hz hyper-polling and 4000 Hz key scanning, while simultaneously driving up to 20-layer lighting effects. Number 2 in our list is SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Apex 5 combines the high performance and click tactile feel of a mechanical keyboard with the extreme durability and convenience of IP32 water resistance. Built from the ground up for gaming, it also includes a premium magnetic wrist rest, OLED smart display, and per-key RGB. The Apex 5 is the perfect hybrid between gaming and real life. Hybrid mechanical gaming switches the tactile click of a blue mechanical switch, plus a smooth membrane OLED smart display customized with GIFs, game info, Discord messages, and more. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame manufactured for unbreakable durability and sturdiness. Dynamic per-key RGB illumination, gorgeous color schemes and reactive effects for every key. Premium magnetic wrist rest provides full palm support and comfort. Number 1 in our list is HyperX Alloy Origins Core Tenkeyless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The HyperX Alloy Origins Core is an ultra-compact, sturdy Tenkeyless keyboard featuring custom HyperX mechanical switches designed to give gamers the best blend of style, performance, and reliability. These key switches have exposed LEDs for stunning lighting with an actuation force and travel distance, elegantly balanced for responsiveness and accuracy. Alloy Origins Core is built with a full aluminum body, so it stays rigid and stable when keystrokes are flying, and also features keyboard feet that let you choose from 3 different tilt levels. Its compact TKL design frees up space for mouse movement in desktop setups where space is at a premium, and it also features a detachable USB Type-C cable for supreme portability. Customize your lighting, craft macros, and adjust game mode with HyperX Ingenuity software. This powerful yet easy-to-use program lets you set per-key lighting, layer dazzling lighting effects, and add scores of other personalized touches to your Ingenuity-compatible products. HyperX mechanical switches rated for 80 million keystrokes, full aircraft-grade aluminum body, ultra-compact, portable design with detachable cable. Dazzling RGB lighting with dynamic effects, advanced customization with HyperX Ingenuity software.